Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2018 Mazda BT50 XT Extra Cab. Stock reference number 5083. This shape runs from the 9th month 2015 through to the 6th month 2020. It has a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-wheel drive transmission. P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the left-hand headlight, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom and module. Power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, factory Alpine touchscreen CD player with SATNAV, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.